Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Balamaster. We are discussing target Kcet 2026. In the Kcet series, we started integration chapter. Today is part 2. In this part 2, I am going to discuss the topic as most frequent question, that is nothing but integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. This is nothing but e power x into f of x plus c. So what is the formula? Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e power x into f of x plus c. So based on this concept, compulsory every year one question they are asking. That's what which is the most important area. So I'm going to discuss now. So look at carefully, friends. What is this meaning? Integral e power x into f of x means any function is there. That function derivative you need to require besides only. At that time you can able to write e power x into f of x plus c. That is the answer. So very simple formula by using this formula. We are x e power x by 1 plus x square dx. Whenever this kind of questions are given, you need to convert into this approach. So if you want to find out into that approach means in the formula e power x will be there in the starting. So that's what this can be expressed as integral e power x into, isn't it? So what we can able to write x by 1 plus x whole square dx. The rest of the part write out like that. So this can be written as this is equals to integral e power x into, let us try to convert into our formula. To convert into that formula, what you are going to do means, in the denominator 1 plus x whole square is there. So in the numerator x will be there. So that's what if you observe numerator and denominator, x before no symbol is there means that would be plus. Just you need to add and subtract 1 in the numerator because in the denominator 1 is given, that's what. For example, in the denominator 2 is given, you need to add and subtract 2. That's the logic. So then close the bracket and dx. So now 1 plus x whole square is there in the denominator. That's what in the numerator x is there, 1 added and subtracted. So again 1 and 1 get cancelled, you are going to get the previous step. So just I am going to put a bracket for this 1 plus x. There is no objection. If you reveal the bracket also, it's not affected for the given question. Then what we can able to write the next step e power x into. Now you are going to split this function. So what we can able to split 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x to the whole square into dx. That's it. If you split the function, you are going to get like that. Almost it is coming to our format. Look at carefully. Integral e power x into. So 1 plus x and 1 plus x get cancelled. You are getting 1 by 1 plus x. Now in the formula plus is there. That's what write down plus. Then minus is there. That's what mentioned minus 1 by 1 plus x to the whole square. Now if you observe carefully, in these two, one is f of x and one more is f dash of x. Look at it is look like 1 by x format. That this denominator let it be called x, 1 by x format. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. Clear? So e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So what we can able to write? E power x into f of x. What is f of x here? 1 by 1 plus x plus c. So what we can able to write, this is e power x by 1 plus x plus c. That is the answer. Which option correct, friends? So option 4 is the correct answer, which is the most easiest problem. So whatever question is there, you have to convert into your known formula. That is your concept. Clear? Can I move to one more question? Look at carefully. Integral e power x into x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 1 dx. According to formula, you need only 2 terms. But here 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So what to do? So which 2 terms are required for you? Keep there only. If not necessary, you keep write down separately. So what to do for this question? This is equals to integral e power x into, let us observe, x to the power of 5 is there. What is the derivative of x to the power of 5? X power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. So x power 5 derivative 5 into x power 5 minus 1 4. So that derivative is there here only. That's what x power 5 plus 5x power 4 write down here. Close the bracket. And e power x into 1. E power x. Let us separate this one. Dx plus integral e power x dx. Finally, very simple. Integral e power x into, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. According to formula, e power x into f of x means x to the power of 5 plus. What is the integration of e power x? E power x only. Plus c. Now look at the option. Which option correct? First option e power x power 5 only given. That's what wrong answer. If you see e power x power 5 plus e power x plus c is your answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. Sometimes they will take e power x common and they will give the answer. So be careful, friends. These type of questions are very easy, and also these questions also previous Kcet entrance examination questions only. Can I solve few more models, friends? Integral e power x into x square tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. What is your formula? Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e power x into f of x plus c. You are going to convert into this formation. So look at carefully, friends. If you observe carefully, there are 2 times tan inverse x. Let us try to take tan inverse x as common. So this can be written as integral e power x into, I am trying to take tan inverse x common, x square plus tan inverse x common 1 plus this one will be separate, whole by denominator x square plus 1 dx. Now this can be written as integral e power x into, almost the sum is completed. If you split, you will get the answer. I want to split with x square plus 1. X square plus 1, x square plus 1 get cancelled. You are getting tan inverse x. Plus, if you split here, 1 by x square plus 1 dx. One is f of x and one more is f dash of x. Integral e power x into, if you call tan inverse x as f of x, the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. It is there besides only. So now this condition is satisfied. That's what you are going to write, e power x into f of x. What is your f of x? Into tan inverse x plus c. So then which option correct, friends? E power x into tan inverse x plus c. Option 1 is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. Integral x minus 1 into e power x by x plus 1 whole cube. So how to solve? Very simple. Integral e power x, you need to write at first. So numerator if you observe, x minus 1 is there. Denominator if you observe, x plus 1 whole cube is there. dx. This can be written as integral. So e power x into, always you try to convert into whatever denominator is there, you need to convert into the numerator. So if you observe in the denominator, x plus 1 whole cube is there. Now, x is there in the numerator, but minus 1 is there. So that's what you are going to write. You need to operate plus 1 and minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 I operated. And in the question minus 1 is there. Let us copy the same as it is. dx. I want to take x plus 1 as a bracket. There is no objection. Then e power x into, I want to split the function x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube. 1 x plus 1 will be cancelled. You are getting 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Next, what it is there? Minus 1, minus 2. So I am going to write according to formula plus required. So that's what I am writing plus here. And minus 2 I am writing here by x plus 1 whole cube into dx. E power x into, if you call this is f of x. What is f of x? 1 by, let it be called x square format. 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x cube. So minus 2 by x cube. So that's what f of x, if you treat this one, this will be f dash of x. That's what, according to this formula, you can able to write e power x into f of x 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. So this is equals to e power x by x plus 1 whole square plus c. That will be the correct answer. So among 4 options, e power x by x plus 1 whole square plus c, option 2 is the correct answer. Look at few more questions in the same order, friends. In e power x into sin x plus cos x by 1 minus sin square x dx. Like this kind of questions they ask. So whatever it may be, you are going to convert into f of x plus f dash of x dx concept. So this is equals to, you are going to write into e power x into sin x plus cos x by 1 minus sin square x can be written as, of course you know very well, cos square x dx. Now just a split, you will be getting idea. So sin x by cos square x. So sin x by cos square x. Cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x plus cos x by cos square x means it will become 1 by cos x. 1 cos x will be cancelled as you know. This is equals to integral e power x into, what we can able to write, sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x. 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x. So this can be written as tan x into secant x plus 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x dx. Now almost completed. You need to search what is f of x, what is f dash of x. Integral e power x into, for example, if you call this is f of x, secant x tan x means you need to do uv. You are not going to get f dash of x. For example, if you call this is f of x, secant x derivative, what is the derivative of secant x? Secant x into tan x. So secant x into tan x is there here. Now this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Then this answer will become e power x into f of x is nothing but secant x plus c. That is your answer, friends. So which option correct? Option 3 is the correct answer, friends. Let's move to the next question. This is a question which is a bit dangerous question. You need to solve very carefully. Why? Because instead of e power x, they are given e power tan inverse x. First of all, let it be considered this tan inverse x as some x. Instead of x, what we need to call some t, some other variable you need to consider. Why? Because your formula will be in terms of e power x format. That's what. So what I am going to call now? Put tan inverse x is equals to some t. Isn't it? Now from this substitution, we can able to write x can be written as tan t. Now differentiation is required, right? So dx is equals to tan t derivative secant square t dt. That's all. Almost completed. Now you are going to write integral e power tan inverse x is nothing but t into 1 plus x. What is the value of x? X is tan t whole by 1 plus x square tan square t, 1 plus tan square t into dx. What is meant by dx here? Secant square t into dt. So this can be written as integral e power t into 1 plus tan t by 1 plus tan square t can be written as secant square t into secant square t dt. Now multiply with the secant square t inside the function. Integral e power t into 1 into secant square t plus tan t by secant square t into secant square t. Both will cancel, you are getting tan t into dt. Almost the sum is completed, friends. Integral, it is look like e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Now you need to search what is f of x, what is f dash of x. So secant square x derivative will never be tan x, but tan x derivative is secant square x. That's what this is f of x, this is f dash of x. So according to our formula, this can be written as e power t into f of x means what? Tan t plus c. So this is equals to e power. Why? Because question given in terms of x, but answer never show in terms of t. Answer also you need to convert it in terms of x. That's what t can be replaced as tan inverse x into tan t can be replaced as x plus c. So your answer is e power tan inverse x into x plus c. So which option correct among 4? X into e power tan inverse x plus c. Option 3 is the correct answer, friends. So similarly, this is the question for you, friends. Integral x plus 3 into e power x by x plus 4 whole square dx. I hope you know very well how to solve. Integral e power x into, look at the denominator, let us convert into numerator, and according to that simplify and update your answer in comment box, friends. Okay, friends, this is the integration part 2, friends. That's all for today's class, friends. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks a lot.